Hi. This is a Shay and Kelsey after video of us running in the rain around the block. Literally, we were like running around the block in the rain. You know, people were staring. It's alright though. Some old guy was talking to us. Told him we got a little wet. It was fun. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah. It was very fun. It was very enjoyable. It's like the first warm rain of the year. So it's like the perfect rain, you know. We needed that. You probably can't hear us because of the thunder right now. Yeah. French toast. We're really wet and so we're probably gonna go sit out in the rain a little.